Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see check constraint in MySQL. So why we need to use check constraint? Let me just give you an example. Let's say we have a product and we do not want our product price to be less than $100. So in that case, we can use check constraint. So for example, we already have the product table, but if I were to recreate our product table with check constraint, then I will write it like this. So let me just write the code. Create our table name, which is products, then we need to give to first bracket. So if you were to create the table from the beginning, then you need to write it like this way. So here we need to give the product ID, product underscore ID, we'll say here it will be integer. Then we'll say here product underscore title, it will be decimal, it will be let's say 50, and it will be unique. After that, we're going to say here price. And actually the price will be initial, this will be varchar actually, varchar, and price will be decimal 7,2. So let's say we want the price not to be less than $100. So we want the price always be more than 100. So we want to apply a condition for the price. So here we need to say, in order to do that, first of all, let's give a comma. Then here we are going to say constraint. Then we need to give a name. Let's say the name will be chk underscore price, chk underscore price, and then we need to mention the check method. So we'll say here check, then to first bracket, and we'll mention this price. We'll say here price should be always is greater than or equal to 100. So what this will do is that every time we try to insert any price to our product table, it will check if the price is greater than $100. If yes, then go ahead, insert the data, and if the price is less than $100, then it will give us an error. But since we already have product table already exist over here, so I will not execute this. So I will just alter our product table. So we are just going to add the check constraint to our price column. So for it, we need to say here alter table, and our table name is product. Then we are just going to say here add constraint, a name, a variable name, let's say chk underscore price. Then we are going to mention the check function to first bracket. Then we'll say here price should be always is greater than or equal to 100. And that's all, ended with a semicolon. So right now, if I just execute this, then you can see alter table product add constraint chk price, check price is greater than 100. So right now let's try to insert the data, but before that let's just show the table. So we're going to say here select star from our table name, which is product. Let me just show you. There you can see this is the product and their price. So right now let's try to insert the data. Let's say here insert into product. After that we are going to mention our product ID, then product title, then the price. Then we'll set the values. So let's say here values, and the values will be product ID will be 6, product title will be by, and let's say the price will be $10 at 10.00. So if I try to insert this data to our product table, it will give us an error. Let me just show you. If I now just click over here, there you can see insert into product table, there is an error sign, and there you can see check constraint, check price is violated. So if I just send here $100, then try to execute this, there you can see wherever to upload the data or insert data to the table. So this was check constraint in MySQL. I hope this was easy for you. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.